Alright, it is 9th of May on the Monday itself, and time is 1:17 p.m. in Singapore. My name is Dylan. Welcome to my daily trade and analysis video. Right, so last week we had a very exciting week. With Australia cutting interest rate, we had employment change drop, fell below 200,000, and a lot of things is just going on. And this week won't be any less exciting because we've seen that the price of many of the currency pairs are currently at a key level or or the major support resistance. So let's just start off with the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. All right, so right here we have the day chart. So New Zealand dollar had the biggest weekly loss in 4 months, and since resisted at the top of the major rising trend channel, and price is most likely to fall further towards the bottom of the trend channel, or at least towards the final exhaustion level at the price of 0.665. So let's zoom in into the smaller time frame in the 1 hourly charts. We have seen that the price is now seen consolidating while moving closer to the top of a minor falling trend channel. Now this is the way I'm plotting it is slightly different from how I usually plot it. All right, but that is really case to case scenario. But anyway, the price is consolidating, moving closer to the top of the falling trend channel, and as well as a key resistance at 0.6862. And if you were to plot a Fibonacci retracement from the top to the bottom, that is at 23.6% retracement level. All right, we can always look at it in another angle that the price may move. Based on the trend line itself. All right, it could be this way as well. So price may take a little bit further to reach that level itself at 0.6862. That's anyway that will be where we'll be looking for a sell opportunity. So that is for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Now we have the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen. Let's take a look at the week one chart. This is a currency pair that I rarely touch and talk about, but I just want to show you that now before we even go to the weekly chart, let's take a look at the monthly chart. You can see that the price is definitely at the upper band of a major range, and definitely the New Zealand dollar against the Japanese yen is overvalued. All right, so back to the week one chart itself. We've seen that the price has broke below a major support at the price of 74.42 multiple times and is expected to fall further eventually. So that is why we'll be looking for sell opportunity in the smaller time frame. Let's take a look at the weekly charts. The H1, the 1 hourly charts. We can see that there is right now a falling trend channel, a minor one in the 1 hourly chart, and the price is now seen about to reach the top of the falling trend channel at a key support resistance level at the price of 73.47. This could be a very good price to go for the sell. Let's wait for a reverse match candle, probably followed by the confirmation, and that will give the green light to go for the sell, definitely. All right, so that's for the New Zealand dollar against the US dollar. Next, we have the dollar against the Japanese yen. So into the 4 hourly charts, dollar against Japanese yen has resumed retracement, and as price did not depreciate, even though the employment change, I'm talking about the US employment change, fell below 200,000, it was 160,000. Seriously, not a figure that is surprising enough to affect the decision of the Federal Reserve based in terms of the interest rate. So um, we may see that the price will retrace further towards the key resistance level at the price of 107.84. So that is the price, a key support resistance level. And again, if you were to put out a Fibonacci retracement, that would be the retracement level of 30.2%. That gave additional boost for us to go for the side of the price. So into the 15-minute charts. Alright, in M15, in the 15-minute chart, price has broken above a resistance level right here at the price of 107.37, signaling for a further appreciation. Price has retraced a little bit, but currently, just now, the structure is still as signaling that the price may fall a little bit further before it reduces appreciation, but it seems that it's happening right now, and the price is appreciating towards the key resistance level at 107.84. So we'll be just waiting for the price to appreciate further to this level or slightly beyond at towards the retracement level of 30.2% to go for the sell opportunity. So that is for the dollar against the Japanese yen. Alright, so next we have the pound against the US dollar. Taking a look at the day one charts, the pound against US dollar again had a weekly loss since it fell from the top of major rising trend channel, and price may continue to fall further. Fall towards the top of the previously broken symmetrical triangle. Alright, this area itself. So into the smaller time frame, into the 1 hourly chart. Alright, we can see that the price is falling within a falling trend channel that's right here. Alright, so we have a minor falling trend channel, and the price is currently consolidating. As it is moving in a downward consolidation movement, and right now it is consolidating. So we are waiting for the price to consolidate further towards a key the previous support resistance level at 1.4470, and towards the top of the minor rising trend channel, and then waiting for the price to fall even further towards the top of the previously broken symmetrical triangle. That's basically day one charts. So that is for the pound against the US dollar. And last but not least, we have the euro against the US dollar. Alright, interestingly, in the weekly chart itself, we have seen that the price has failed to broke further, or rather broke above the major resistance at the price of 1.1443. So that signals that the price may go for a major reversal. And therefore, we will be zooming into the 4 hourly charts. Well, so right now the price is on a downward consolidation movement, and it's currently making consolidation right now, and we'll be looking for sell opportunity as price consolidates further, move closer to the price of 1.1437. I'll have to zoom into 1 hourly chart, so this is the price I'm looking at to go for a sell opportunity. Simple as that. So that is for the euro against the US dollar, and with that, alright, before I come to the end, I'll just quickly touch on the Aussie against US dollar. Alright, if we look at the day one chart itself, we have seen that the price is currently seated at a major resistance turn support level, and it does make sense that there is a limitation towards the depreciation of the Australian dollar after the Reserve Bank of Australia have cut interest rate. So we are definitely experiencing exhaustion right here at the major resistance and support level. Therefore, expect the price to appreciate and make further retracement from here, or rather to resume its appreciation right here. Alright, definitely the RBA has to do a little bit more for its currency to depreciate further. Alright, so this is one thing to take note of. And finally, we have the euro against the pound. Oops, I have to trade right here, and we just remove that. Alright, so for the euro against the pound, really we do not want to miss the trade, because we do know that the price is falling from the top of a major falling trend channel, and therefore we want to be able to capture it from the top of the channel itself. And right now in the day one chart, we are seeing that the price is resisted at a major resistance level, price of 0.7918, expecting, and the current structure itself definitely suggests that the price will fall further eventually. So we will be looking for sell opportunity into the smaller time frame, 1 hourly chart or 15-minute chart, whatsoever it is. Look for opportunity to go for the sell. Alright, maybe it will just appreciate a bit further towards this level, somewhere 0.7913, to go for the sell instead. So yeah, I'll be definitely looking for opportunity to go for the sell for this currency pair. Alright, so that's for the euro against the pound, and with that, I've come to the end of today's trading analysis video. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you again tomorrow.